Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy CS for you. In this video I am going to show you the trick to find the approximation of a non-square root numbers. So you can expect this type of problems in competitive examinations like RRB NTPC, Group D, SSC, CHL and CGL exams. So now let's see how to find the approximation value of a non-square root numbers. So first let's take one example. Square root of 7. So here 7 is not a perfect square root number, right? So it lies between 9 and 16. So 9 minus 2 becomes 7. 9 minus 2. So what is the square root of 9? The square root of 9 is 3 minus 2. In the next step, you have to write down the double value of this number. What is the double value of this number? That is 6. So 3 minus 2 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 3. So 3 minus 1 by 3. What is the value of 1 by 3? That is 0.33. So 3 minus 0.33 is nothing but 2.67. So this is the approximate value of root 7. Next number, root 12. So root 12 is also not a perfect square root number. So it lies between 9 and 16. So 9 plus 3 becomes 12. Or you can also do 16 minus 4 is 12. You can do it both the ways. So what is the square root of 9? The square root of 9 is 3. 3 plus 3. So you have to write down the double of this number, that is 6. 3 plus 1 by 2. So what is 1 by 2? 1 by 2 value is 0.5. So which is nothing but 3.5. So let's do it this way. What is the square root of 16? That is 4. 4 minus 4 divided by double of this number, that is 8. 4 minus 1 by 2. So 4 minus 0.5, which is nothing but 3.5. Both the ways you can do. Both will give you the same answer. Next, take another number, 105. So it lies between 100. So 100 plus 5 is 105. So 100 is a perfect square. So the square of 100 is 10. 10 plus 5. So what is the double of this number? The double of this number is 20. So 10 plus 5 by 20 is nothing but 1 by 4. So 10 plus 1 by 4 is 0.25, which is nothing but 10.25. Take another number, square root of 20. So 20 is not a perfect square number. So it lies between 16 and 25, right? So you can do either in 16 plus 4, or you can do 25 minus 5. So square root of 16 is 4. 4 plus 4 by 8. Double of this 4 is 8. So 4 plus 1 by 2. So what is 1 by 2? 0.5. This 4.5. So you can cross check it in this way also. Square root of 25 is 5. 5 minus 5 by 10. 5 minus 1 by 2. 5 minus 0.5 is nothing but 4.5. So this is how we can find out the approximate value of a non-square root numbers easily. Thanks for watching.